Hello guys, welcome back to Premium Financial. In this video, I will show how to change Gmail user or how to edit Gmail user. So you need to log in Gmail. I have login Gmail here and the username is France Tony. So click here, then click account, go personal info and see the email address France Tony. Click here. Click France Tony username. Then change Google account email. See the username edit option. So the current username France Tony. So I need to change the username, or you can edit full username premium F27 and click here to change email. See current email address and new email address. Click here to yes change email. See it's loading and it's already changed. See the current address updated premium 2027 gmail.com. So see the current address premium 27 @gmail.com. So see how I change the email user. So if you like this video, then don't forget to subscribe my channel, and if you need any kind of account, PayPal, Gmail, Venmo and any USA account, feel free to join my Telegram.